Hey guys, I have a few tips for you when selecting your backsplash within your kitchen reno. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So you're doing your kitchen reno and you're selecting a backsplash tile. There are lots of options out there to choose from. Here's a few pointers to consider when making your selection. So depending how you cook, do you cook lots of pasta, lots of deep frying, and is your style of cooking kind of messy, I guess we could call it? If you think you're going to be splashing onto your backsplash a lot, you should consider how much grout you'll have. So this is kind of a classic look. It's a subway tile, but it's a larger format subway tile, so you have less grout. But keep in mind, the grout will be what will stain or discolor. So when choosing your backsplash tile, be considerate of that. If you get into a really elaborate pattern as well, your labor costs might go up. Subway tiles are traditionally not terribly expensive, and in a standard 50-50 pattern like this, you're going to maintain a relatively affordable backsplash with pretty low maintenance depending on what color you go with. So here we have a lighter color grout, so they need to be careful about what they splash onto it, but it's a fully sealed product, so it should be good for maintenance. But if you get into a mosaic backsplash with tons of grout, you need to be very careful about how you then cook and expose it to potential staining. Large format backsplash tile is nice with little grout, but that's a different design aesthetic entirely. So if you have questions about what to put in your home, you can reach out to us with any questions, consider how you plan to use the space, and how much maintenance you're prepared to put into it over the long haul. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great one.